This is an Echo Dot for kids, and today we're going to unbox it. It has a little dragon. The box is very nice. So we have the Echo Dot here. It has some plastic covering. We have two little pamphlets. One says Ask Alexa, Alexa Guide for Kids. And it is a little bit of a comic book with examples of Alexa phrases. So you say, Alexa, good morning. Alexa, please set my toothbrush timer for 2 minutes. Alexa, open Disney stories. And then we have an instruction booklet explaining how to make it work. So it first has to download the Amazon Alexa app, which I already have downloaded on my phone. And then it has to plug in your Echo Dot Kids edition. So plug it in. Okay. Set up your Echo Dot Kids edition in the Alexa app. Okay, I'm going to open the Alexa app to set it up.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay. Devices. An Echo Dot can be set up. By tapping continue, you agree to Amazon's conditions of use and terms. Continue.
Perdón, eso no lo sé.
Now it says select Wi-Fi network. Okay, I put in the password to my Wi-Fi network, and now it says that it is connecting your Echo Dot Kids edition to Wi-Fi. Sweet. Your Echo Dot Kids edition
Your Echo
now
is ready.
connected. Continue.
Complete setting up free time on this device in the Alexa app.
Okay, I don't know what free time is, so I'm not gonna set it up right now. And that's it. Now let's use the little booklet to see if it works. Alexa, please play music.
Complete setting up free time on this device in the Alexa app.
This device is not configured for your child. Complete setup.
Complete setting up free time on this device in the Alexa app.
Okay. It says add a child to your household. Child's first name is Priscilla. Female. We're gonna give Priscilla the little puppy because she thinks that's her spirit animal. Birthday July 8th, and we're gonna make Priscilla younger just for the setup. We'll say 2015. Add child. Continue. Your permission will apply to the following profiles. Okay. Continue. Has my profile, my child. Need to write my Amazon password. Verify it's you by providing the temporary code sent to the phone. Okay. Parental consent. I will agree. It says or no thanks. I don't know what happens
Hello.
if I
To
click no
learn more
thanks.
about all the things we can do together, just say, Alexa, let's go.
Alexa, let's go.
Okay. It's nice to meet you. I'm going to take a little time to teach you about me and the things you can do in free time. Let's get started. Anytime you want to talk to me, say Alexa first to get my attention. You'll know I'm ready when my light green turns blue. When you want me to end what I am doing, you can say, Alexa, stop. There are a lot of fun things we can do together. I can play music, read you a book, or I can even try and make you laugh. To hear a joke, say, Alexa, tell me a joke.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's Captain Hook's least favorite song? Crocodile Rock. I hope that put a smile on your face. How about learning about outer space? To hear some out of this world facts, say, Alexa, tell me a space fact.
Alexa, please play music.
Getting a sample of kids' hits from iHeartRadio family.
Singing, take me home tonight. I need you in my arms to wake up and feel
Alexa,
alive.
please read me a story.
Getting a short clip of the Snow Queen.
The big sledge stopped, and the person who drove got up.